Ever wondered how to add and delete users in a system? Well, today we'll unravel the mystery. Adding and deleting users is integral to maintaining the authenticity of a system. It's all about gatekeeping, just like in a physical space. Not everyone should be allowed in, right? But those who should be must have access. So here's how we do it. When we talk about adding users, think of it as welcoming a new member to a community. This could be a result of a change in the organization's structure or a directive from management. Now, on the other hand, when users depart from the community, they need to be erased. Their access rights should be revoked. It's just like moving out of a neighborhood, isn't it? Now, let's introduce a new character to our story, the root user. Think of the root user as the mayor of the town. They have the power to modify the system, unrestricted. Regular users are like the town's citizens. They have limited access. Root users or accounts with root rights can add new users. Becoming a super user might seem like an attractive proposition. You could log in as the root user, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Running commands as the root user can be a risky business. The root account, being the most powerful, is a prime target for security breaches. We also need to remember that it's easy to make irreversible mistakes when running commands as the root user. And then, there's the question of accountability. In a multi-user environment, it's hard to track who ran a command when operating as root. This is where the Command Sudo comes in. Sudo is like a temporary power-up. It allows specific users enhanced permissions for a limited time. It's a safer option than root, which runs every command with full-on power. When you run sudo, you'll be asked to enter your password, keeping things secure. But remember, not everyone can become a super user. Users need to be granted sudo privileges using a file called the sudoers file. In summary, adding and deleting users is all about maintaining system authenticity. Root users hold the power to modify the system, but running commands as the root user can be risky due to potential security breaches and irreversible mistakes. The Command Sudo offers a safer alternative, granting temporary enhanced permissions to specific users. Remember, it's not about keeping everyone out, it's about letting the right ones in. See you in the next video.